Hello and welcome everybody to the 11th day of our Devlog series. Today I added a tiger to the game. Of course it's not perfect, but first type of enemy. I did it with state, not behavior tree. You can get meat from its corpse, but you can still eat it. I am going to edit tomorrow how to eat and drink. It's time for it. And I added PCG, so there are a bunch of random items. I need to fix it so they don't stack on top of each other. And there are a bunch of tigers around the map now. Let me just show you. Sorry about that. Let me load it. It's in this kind of area. Resources and tigers everywhere. So it looks like a map a little bit more. I still didn't change their static mesh, but it can wait. It's not a problem. I just need to find a suitable wood and stone mesh. Stone not that bad, but maybe these ones will be better. And I am going to add a interaction to them to show a E to pick up line at least. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.